Okay, one of the exciting things that I got to see at the CES show is the new Dell XPS 13. Now, this is a little different than what they've done in years past. One of the biggest complaints that users had with this particular device was that the webcam itself was actually located down at the base, and it gave us the famous up your nose view. Instead, they finally moved it up to the top like all the other laptop manufacturers out there, or at least a majority of them. Now, there was kind of a trade-off. This particular webcam is not an infrared webcam, which means it cannot be used with Microsoft Hello. But the caveat here is they are including standard as a feature the fingerprint identification. Now, this particular laptop comes in either an i3, i5, or i7 version, and they've got a new color version that they released here at CES. You can see it here. It's kind of a white frost color. They also redesigned the hinges so it's a lot easier. In fact, you can open it up with just one hand. Now, something else they announced or they showed off here is that you now have the option of upgrading to the ultra sharp 4K Ultra HD display. That supports a 3840 by 2160 display, which is really quite nice. As far as memory is concerned, you can get this bad boy in any memory configuration from 4 up to 16 gigs of RAM. Also, as far as our hard drive size, we can go anywhere from 120 gig all the way up to 2 terabyte. The battery itself, they say it'll last about 21 hours, but we all know what that means. The ports that they've provided, there are 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports for power, as well as a display port, 1 USB-C 3.1 with power delivery, and there's also a headphone jack. And what's really cool is that this bad boy only weighs 2.7 pounds, which really shocked and surprised me. Kind of reminds me of an Apple product. What's that called? The MacBook Air? This bad boy comes in or starts out at about $899, and obviously it's going to work up from there. Again, great looking little laptop. I think I might actually have to consider this in my utility belt. So that wraps up another episode of Dale Dumbs It Down. Hey, do me a favor, hit that little subscribe button down below. That'll actually help out this channel. As well as if you want to be notified when we release something new so that you can learn something new, hit that notification button. I think YouTube will notify you. They used to.